Thank you very much for joining me again. My name is Felix and I'm going to walk you through these tutorials. You have learned a lot on this channel. If you are new to this channel, please, I'll urge you to do well and subscribe, then like our videos and then share your comments. We are glad that you are here with us. Without much ado, today I'm going to show you how we can create a t-shirt design before we send it for printing. Okay, usually I get people customers telling me to design t-shirts for them so that they will send it to the printing press. So for you to do that, what you have to do is we have the mock-up already there for you. So you need to design your work first, then after that you can bring the work to the mock-up. That is all. So the most important part of this section is your design work. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is, as you can see here, it said replace your design. So we are going to replace this one with our design, and you can see that the shirt color is pink. Now it is pink because of this color gradient. We can turn the color gradient off and you will get white, so we can replace your design here. So for you to do that, what we are going to do is we look for the section says replace design or your design. So this one, it's a smart object. Listen to me well, it's a smart object, meaning that we can modify it. But if it was supposed to be a rasterized layer or a vector object, there's no way you can what place it. So what we are going to do now is you will click inside the thumbnail, this small portion, this one. Look at my cursor well, this one. You will double click inside that one. Okay, then you place the design here. So I'll go to the desktop, then I will look for my design, then bring it in here. I've already done the design, so I'll bring the design here. So what I'm going to do right now is I have this bakery design. Actually, I downloaded it from online, so you can check in the description for both the design and then the mockup. It's in the description, so you can download the mockup and then design as well. And know that currently I'm using Photoshop 22. Photoshop 20, that is the current version I'm using right now. So I'm going to increase this one, the size. When you bring in the design, you can delete the replace your design. Okay, so but before then, let me break this one in half. Okay, then I'm going to delete this one. Then what I'm going to do now is after that I will save it. Now when I save it, look at what is going to happen. So press Ctrl S. Okay, it is saved now. Now let's go back to our design and see what has happened. You can see that we have the design here. By when I zoom in, look at, you can see this white background there. We need to take that white background off so that it will be something realistic. This one looks like a sticker, paper sticker on the shirt, so we have to take that one off. Then we will go to the design again. So what we are going to do now is we have to rasterize this particular layer, then we will remove the background. So review for this, have to use the magic wand to, then I've set the tolerance to 30, so I'm going to remove the white area. Okay, so because the tolerance is 30, you can see that it has selected the whole of this particular area. Never mind, let us delete it and see. Okay, and then Control S again to save it. Okay, our work is saved. Now let's go back to the design and see what has happened. Now let me zoom out. So this is the work we have now. This is the t-shirt we have now, but the logo is too small for me, so I can increase the size. Okay, then I'll save it again. Don't mind this warning. You can press OK and then go back again. Let's check. So this is the simple way you can create your t-shirt design. But look at something here. You see the color that we have for our design. We can modify it using the hue and saturation here. So you can see that we have the hue and saturation. Now look at something that's changed the color of the design. We can go click on this one and then modify the color to whatever we want so that it will suit whatever we like. So we like this, right? Our bakery does not go with this kind of color. No, food products usually go with brown and stuff, so I'll maintain the brown color like that. So we have this. So this is the t-shirt design in Photoshop.